What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today I'm going to teach you how to spice up your email subject line with an emoji. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look here. I'm in Infusionsoft, okay? Now you can use any email autoresponder that you'd like. This should work in just about every single application as far as email goes. Anyway, I have it open here. I have a subject line. And one of the things we've noticed with affiliate marketing is when we use emojis in our Facebook ads, they generally have better conversions. So the emojis work really well nowadays. Pretty much everybody uses emojis, except for maybe my grandma. She might not use emojis, but pretty much even like people that are older, like adults, like myself, and older, like my mom, she uses emojis. So it's kind of an international language nowadays with the phones the way they are, and the smartphones and whatnot. So let's get into it real quick. This isn't going to be a long video. It's very easy to do. Okay, so here's the subject line. The first thing you have to do is you got to go to this website here. It's called unicode.org. I'll put a link to this below, but here's all your emojis, okay? So what you want to do is go to the first emoji here. Here's an example of, looks like some kind of stuffed flatbread. So you're just going to do a copy on that, okay? So you're going to copy that, so you basically got the code. The emojis are, visually, they look good, but behind the scenes is actually like code that the computer can recognize and put out the emojis. So we're going to go to this other website here after we've copied the code, and this is called Scilog.org. Okay, so Scilog.org. I'll put a link for this converter on this website here in the description, so you can just click on it. But basically, then you just put in you paste it in this box here, the emoji, which is that flatbread salad or whatever it was. I don't even know what the thing is. And that thing is going to put it in here, and then right here you see this code. That's what the computer is actually seeing to put out that image. Okay, so you copy that. You just go over here to your subject line in Infusionsoft or any autoresponder, and boom, you can just copy that code in. You might want to put a space, okay? I didn't copy for some reason, but copy, and you put a space in there so it's not right next to the testing, okay, and then another space. Now then you can put some testing 2, and then you can put more than one. So let's go back over here to another emoji, and here's a looks like some kind of popcorn of some sort. We're going to copy that. We're going to put that into the box here, and we're going to do a submit, and that's going to put that in the input string, and here is the code for the popcorn. Copy that, and we'll go over here to our little Infusionsoft, and we'll just make sure there's a space here so it looks good when you send it. Alright, so there's that, and then you can put some more words, so just put words, and then we'll go ahead and we'll save this. Alright, and we're going to do a send a test, and then I'll open this up and show you guys what it looks like in the email when I get the test here. Let me see, it usually comes pretty quick. Test sent. There we go. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open this email and I'll show you what it looks like. Boom. There is the subject line. Testing. It's kind of a flatbread salad bowl. Testing 2, and then the popcorn and words. So you can see the emojis are in the subject line, and that is the way you put emojis in any subject line and spice up your emails and get better open rates and potentially even deliverability. The more people that open your emails, the better the spam filters are going to be, and obviously down the road you want the less spam complaints and the more opens, you'll get better deliverability. So I am the Marketing Meathead. Hopefully you guys learned something today, and if you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video, and go ahead and bang that notifications bell for me. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will welcome you to the channel. If there's anything else you guys would like me to teach you, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'll be happy to try to do a video on it for you. I do have a lot of experience in emailing. I've been emailing people for about, I don't know, almost 20 years now. I think I started back in 2002 with my email list. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to try to answer them. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.